Welcome to this little shorter POV video. I'm trying to see if this shorter format works as a POV video. So make sure to like it if it is something for you. And also subscribe if you want to see more of my videos in the future. Thank you. So the interesting part here is, I guess, like the leading lines on the floor and also like the frame. And then we have the yellow building down at the end, which also is quite cool. And yeah, also like the sunlight coming in and stuff like this. I think this is a decent frame without being something fantastic. So right over here, there's also like the hallway here and the frame, and with people walking just like this, it could be interesting. And of course, so with all the bikes, it tells this story of Copenhagen, of being a city with a lot of bikes. Might be also able to frame a shot like in here as well, somebody going by on a bike, like that dude. But yeah, let's see if we can get a shot now. Here I kind of like the way the sun is hitting the building, and also we have this red brick surface with the green balcony. And if we have some people walking like over here in the middle of the frame, it could be nice. I will see if we can get this. So I just walk a bit down the street, and again, not a really pretty sight, but I think this building is also kind of interesting because it has all these symmetry paths and with different colors like blue, red, yellow doors. Could be an interesting photo, of course. Nothing really special, but you also sometimes just need to look for what you can get, and I think this is okay. So another one of like these Danish bodegas, bars. And it's nothing special again, but kind of like the dirty blue sun protector thing over the windows. I will see if I can get something symmetry-like out of this. And also I think we can see here on these kind of shots how much barrel distortion you get when you are on the wide end of the lens here, which might be interesting to see if how this looks when you correct it in Lightroom. Then we have this shot here with the tall building behind, and let's see if we get something interesting out of this as well. The building here with sun is a nice composition. I'm not a fan of the cars, but perhaps we can frame something in between to leave the focus there. So as I walked by the crossing down here, there was two guys chatting and one with a kid. It was a really cute scene, but I didn't feel like recording it. But I took a photo and I think it turned out really well. The corner here was a really nice scene as well, and I got a couple of shots on the wider end of the lens.
trying to both frame the building and also getting some action on the streets. And the lights coming down here is really beautiful and makes this scene really great, I think. So moving just a bit down the street, there was a lot of people getting ice cream. The straight on approach here is great. There's a lot going on, but I think there's a good balance in the photo with a lot of lines from the bench, the windows, the curb and so on, but still with the main focus, simple, centered in the middle. Just to the right there was this laundry, which also caught my eyes, with the green windows and the red or brownish bricks, because these colors complement each other very well. With the light coming from the side, we get this soft light, but also some contrast that adds this cinematic feel to the photos. So this was also suitable for straight-on shots, and I did some different focal length shots that all worked out really well with the symmetry of the building, I think.
So it's always kind of awkward to look at a playground and take photos because people will think you're a creep, but the light is coming in really beautiful here, and also with the trees and stuff like this, I think there's a nice frame.